trailer station. Really cool gutter trailers with removable tongues, I guess. These ones come with spare tire, toolbox. You can get blue, black, gray, or tan. Really, really cool trailers. You got more over here. And then, what else? Sometimes you can get a Summit with a single axle. But let me show you these trailers. These are Southland, made in Canada. And these trailers, I mean, 7x14 is a good size. So something like this is probably going to be too big. I think it's like a 7.5, where it's not fully 8. And then they're all V-nose. You can see the difference right there. So this is a true 7. This is a 7x16, which is okay, but it's super tall. This one's probably the most comfortable right here. This one's got a blackout package, nice big door, double axle. This is a really good one right here. And then this one is obviously a 7.5 by 16. Very cool trailers, black wheels. Let's take a look at the back. Blackout lights. Yeah, these are my favorite right here. Royal Cargo. Let's see what else they have here. If they have anything with barn doors. No. This one will work. Carry-on cargo. It's good height. Good height. Plenty of space. But I think it's a little on the small side. These ones do have the aerodynamic something. Let me show you the trailer that I just picked up. Trailer depot in Woodland. So these are perfect trailers right here. Beautiful Big Techs. I just picked up this one right here. This is a longer version. 3,000 capacity. I like it. It's a very nice trailer.